Have you ever felt like there's a way to welcome peace and fortune into your home with just a simple act? Imagine lighting a scent that not only fills your space with warmth, but also invites prosperity and harmony into your life. It may sound mystical, but in Buddhist practice, this ritual is deeply meaningful. This special ritual, centered around lighting specific scents on November 11th, is believed to open pathways for positive energy. In Buddhist tradition, scents and their smoke carry messages of intention, bringing inner calm, clearing away obstacles, and inviting abundance and peace. As we begin, take a moment to join our community by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. In the comments, feel free to type, "I am ready to receive blessings," to set a collective intention, welcoming peace and fortune together. This practice of lighting a specific scent on November 11th has roots deep in Buddhist traditions, where rituals are designed to align our energies with the natural rhythms of the universe. In ancient times, scents like sandalwood, sage, and incense were used to symbolize purity and devotion, and November 11th has a unique significance. This date, often associated with the concept of spiritual alignment and balance, is seen as a powerful time to draw in energies that support prosperity and harmony. Monasteries and temples would often use these specific scents to create an environment that encouraged peace, healing, and focus. In Buddhism, lighting a scent isn't just about fragrance, it's a form of energetic cleansing. When the smoke rises, it's thought to carry our intentions to the spiritual realm, symbolizing a release of negativity and an invitation to receive positivity. Each element of the ritual, the act of lighting, the choice of scent, and the date itself, holds a deeper meaning tied to Buddhist concepts. This ritual acts as a form of purification, helping to remove mental clutter, strengthen focus, and create an inner and outer environment conducive to growth. By connecting to these traditions, you're aligning yourself with a history of practices that nurture both the mind and soul. Preparation phase. Before beginning, gather the essential items for this ritual. You'll need 1. A calming scent. This could be sandalwood, sage, or any natural incense associated with peace and cleansing. 2. A fireproof dish. Use a ceramic or glass dish, as these materials are traditionally believed to conduct energy more purely than plastic or metal. 3. A quiet, clean space. Choose a place in your home where you feel calm and uninterrupted. This space will hold the energy you're inviting, so ensure it's tidy and peaceful. Each item serves a purpose. The calming scent symbolizes purity, the fireproof dish represents stability, and the quiet space invites focus and grounding. Setting the environment. Begin by setting up your space. Find a clean surface, ideally near a window or a place with good airflow, to allow the smoke to move freely. Take a moment to clear your thoughts and ground yourself. You might want to sit comfortably, with your feet planted on the ground, feeling a connection with the earth. As you set up, keep your mind on your intentions. Visualize your home as a sanctuary for peace and fortune. Imagine it as a safe, welcoming space that draws in harmony, prosperity, and clarity. This visualization helps to amplify the power of the ritual, setting the tone for positive change. Detailed ritual steps. 1. Light the scent. As you ignite the scent, take a slow, deep breath. Focus on the flame, letting it represent the start of your intention to invite positive energy. Watch as the flame steadies, and then slowly transforms into a gentle, rising smoke. 2. Place the dish in the center of your space. Place the dish holding the scent in the center of your chosen area. This central placement symbolizes balance and harmony, as if creating a hub for all positive energy to flow. 3. Visualize your intentions with the rising smoke. Close your eyes, take a moment to focus on your breath, and visualize. Picture your desires, peace, abundance, harmony, filling your home as the smoke gently rises. Imagine the smoke carrying your intentions, reaching every corner of your space, and then extending beyond, creating an invisible circle of positivity around your home. 4. Express gratitude. Once the scent is fully burned, take a moment of silence and express gratitude for the energy you've called upon. Whether spoken aloud or quietly in your heart, acknowledge the intention you've set, as gratitude amplifies the effects of this ritual. Spiritual and emotional transformation. Engaging in this ritual has a profound effect on both the mind and spirit. As you practice regularly, you might notice a subtle yet powerful shift in your energy. In Buddhist philosophy, rituals like this help clear away emotional and mental clutter, making space for clarity, peace, and spiritual alignment. The act of lighting the scent and focusing on your intentions is a practice of letting go, releasing the past, and welcoming in new energies that serve your highest good. Imagine feeling lighter, as if a weight has been lifted from you. This ritual helps to clear your mental space, inviting a more peaceful and grounded state of mind. Over time, you may find it easier to let go of stress and worries, replacing them with a calm acceptance that everything unfolds in its own time. Psychological insights. On a psychological level, this ritual can be a form of mindfulness. By focusing your mind on the act itself, lighting the scent, setting intentions, and visualizing outcomes, you're training your mind to remain present. Buddhism teaches that mindfulness allows us to approach life with greater awareness, reducing the impact of negative thoughts and fostering inner calm. This practice offers a sense of control, giving you a direct, simple way to feel aligned with your intentions and to build a connection with your inner self. Physical and emotional changes. After performing the ritual, you may experience subtle yet noticeable changes in your mood and energy. Many people report feeling a renewed sense of clarity and a lifted spirit. You might notice a shift in your environment too, a calmness in your home, where the air feels lighter and more open. Some people even find that they have more energy, heightened intuition, or a greater sense of peace, which all point to the power of engaging in this ritual. Reflective practices and daily integration. After completing the ritual, take a few minutes to reflect on the experience. How did it feel? What emotions surfaced as you set your intentions and watched the smoke rise? Consider keeping a journal nearby to write down any insights, thoughts, or feelings that emerged during the ritual. Reflecting on your experience not only deepens your connection to the practice, but also allows you to notice shifts in your inner world over time. For the best results, consider incorporating this ritual into your regular routine. Setting aside time, even once a week, to repeat this practice helps reinforce your intentions and maintain a flow of positive energy in your space. Consistency strengthens the ritual's impact, allowing you to cultivate a habit that nourishes your mind and spirit. Over time, you'll find that the ritual itself becomes a grounding presence, something you can turn to whenever you feel the need for peace or clarity. After completing the ritual, take a moment to express gratitude. You can simply sit in silence and feel the sense of calm you've created, or you might choose to say a quiet thank you for the blessings you have received and those yet to come. This gratitude practice can go beyond the ritual itself. Consider writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day. By cultivating gratitude, you elevate your spiritual vibration, attracting more positivity into your life and strengthening the positive effects of your practice. Conclusion. In today's practice, you've learned a powerful ritual rooted in Buddhist traditions, a simple yet meaningful act of lighting a scent to welcome peace, fortune, and clarity into your home. By following each step, from preparation to visualization, you're not only connecting to an ancient practice, but also inviting an energy of harmony that supports mindfulness and inner transformation. This ritual aligns with Buddhist teachings on mindfulness, self-transformation, and cultivating a peaceful heart. As we close, I invite you to join this journey with us by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing your experience in the comments. Let us know if you felt a shift in your space or noticed a sense of peace after practicing. Together, we're creating a community grounded in mindfulness and positive energy. To keep our intentions aligned, feel free to comment. I keep my energy positive and open to the universe's blessings. This affirmation serves as a reminder to remain open to the peace and fortune we've called upon today, nurturing an energy of abundance that we carry forward. Thank you for being part of this practice. May your home be filled with peace, your spirit with light, and your journey with purpose.